Today on my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, we're drawing Tanjiro Kamado from Demon Slayer. Those familiar with my Level Up cartooning process know we never start with a character's eyes, hair, or any other detail. No, the first thing we do is sketch out a basic roadmap of that character's form, mapping out their proportions and pose. With a character like Tanjiro, who wears clothing that obscures his arms and legs, it requires an extra step. That is, if you really want to draw him right. As you can see, I don't immediately start by drawing in Tanjiro's loose kimono or his pants. I start by roughing out a simple, lightly drawn representation of his actual physical arms and legs in the chosen running pose. Then, and only then, do we begin to dress him, or draw in that clothing. You may be thinking, why should I draw in arms and legs that are going to be covered up in the final drawing? Well, it's so you can understand how that clothing is laying on top of those arms and legs, the direction and angle of the folds, or the bending, rather than just winging it and guessing. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full video on Tanjiro from Demon Slayer and hundreds of other drawing lessons.